Well, hello everyone, welcome back to another quick video. In today's 1-minute guide, I'm going to be showing you how to post an animated GIF on Instagram, whether you're trying to have Jack Nicholson doing some creepy yes little thing that you'd like to post, or maybe a little flamethrower fart emoji, or maybe Darth Vader having his little birthday. I'm going to be showing you how to do this coming up. Alright guys, we're currently on my mobile device. I'm going to slide to the left so you can see a full-blown view of what I'm seeing on my mobile device. Make sure your Instagram app is up to date, otherwise this might not work. We're going to launch Instagram, and we're just going to find some that we want to reply an animated GIF to. I'm just going to do this one with some girl, with some guy having a little martini. Oh, hi! And you can see this little comment section here. We're going to click the comment section. And now you would think you'd just click into the emoji to add an animated GIF, but that doesn't work. What you want to do is go over to the right of the comment. You'll see this little smiley face peely thing. Select that. And then it says create your avatar. We don't want to do that. At the bottom right, you'll see a GIF icon. Select that, and this will show up all animated GIFs within Giphy. So you can use this to search whatever you want, maybe flamethrower. Let's see, flamethrower. There we go. Here's something going on. All you have to do is click it, and it'll post the animated GIF to that comment section. Hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit that like button, and we'll see you in the next video.